Hello everyone and welcome back to Autopedia channel. Today, we're putting two Mazda SUVs head-to-head in a crash test comparison. The 2023 Mazda CX-50 and the 2024 Mazda CX-90. Both of these vehicles have earned the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. First up, the 2023 Mazda CX-50. A small SUV that has impressed with its safety features. To earn the Top Safety Pick Plus award, the CX-50 needed to achieve good ratings in 6 IIHS crashworthiness tests, including driver-side and passenger-side small overlap front, moderate overlap front, original side, roof strength, and head restraint tests. The CX-50 not only passed these tests with flying colors, but its standard front crash prevention system also earned superior ratings in both vehicle-to-vehicle and daytime vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. Now let's look at the 2024 Mazda CX-90 and its plug-in hybrid counterpart, the CX90 PHEV. To qualify for the 2023 Top Safety Pick Plus award, the CX90 needed to excel in driver-side and passenger-side small overlap front tests and an original moderate overlap front. Both the regular CX90 and the CX90 PHEV come with a front crash prevention system that earns superior ratings in daytime and nighttime pedestrian evaluations. When comparing both models, it's clear that Mazda prioritizes safety across their SUV lineup. The CX-50 and CX-90 both achieve excellent ratings in crashworthiness and crash prevention, with slightly different strengths. The CX-90 offers better performance in nighttime pedestrian evaluations, while the CX-50 excels in daytime vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. In conclusion, whether you prefer the smaller, agile CX-50 or the larger, more robust CX-90, you can drive with confidence, knowing you're in one of the safest vehicles on the road. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end.